Welcome to Barry Electronics. In today's video, I'm going to be telling you or showing you how to assemble your electric stand mixer or your blender to use when you are baking, to blend your flour or to blend all your ingredients. So now we're going to go ahead and start mixing our item. So the first thing you need to do is to open the box like this. Yeah, open the box. Okay, here's everything that is in it. Here is the machine. Don't forget, we are not going to wash this. This right here is the power supply. So if you want to clean this, all you need to do is unplug it, make sure it's not plugged to electricity, and wipe it dry. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is remove our stand right here like this. Okay, so now let's go ahead and remove this from the plastic. All right. Okay, here is the stand, and here is our 2-liter bowl. You can go ahead and wash in this clean before using it, and also wash your beater right here. This one right here is the beater, and this one is called hook. Okay, so we are going to go ahead and remove it and clean this first. After that, all you need to do now is install this. Voila, you want to use your beater or your hook to put it in here. Very simple. All you need to do is do it like this and swap it right here like this. Okay, as you can see. All right, and if you want to install your hook, it is the same. Just do it like this. Simple. All right, after doing this, all you need to do now is bring it here like this and start from the bottom and slide this like this. All right, after sliding it, the installation is already complete. Now all you need to do is start pouring in your mixture and make sure this is plugged to your extension cord or your receptacle. Please don't forget, this right here is your electric outlet. You will not put this in water, but the remaining one you can put it in water without this right here. All this will be washed, no problem, along with your additional beater or your hook. So don't forget, if you are done and want to pull it back, what you need to do is just pull this like this and pull this like this right here, and you can go ahead and put this back into your cartoon, no problem. Or you can leave it like that if you are using it often and don't need to assemble and disassemble it every time. So yes, please don't forget to like, comment, and share this video if you found this helpful. And anything you don't understand, you can comment down below. And if you are in Liberia and interested in buying this stand mixer, all you need to do is contact us. We are selling this for just $35 United States limited stock. So yes, if you're interested in this, come and get it before we run out. Thanks for watching this video.